The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Hi, who using all my then?
no.
Like the song that Chris Brown sampled on his album.
Yeah, but you will. But ungabona like context yakhona.
Zingoma zibili sihlabela leso.
Chris Brown sampling i-video so like ingoma yomntwana ahlabele essay.
Wayesithini ngathi umntwana?
Jane sondela duzane mangazi ukuthi mbana ngasondela duzane la kwenza ukuthi kube easy lapha na.
Cha bamnika 1 million kumbe kwasongamanga.
Bamnika $3,000.
1 million.
Mthanzo 1 million. Umnikazi obhale njalo.
Umnikazi wani umntwana?
No, the thing is, she got her first 3K, but her name was mentioned in the song, so she's gonna get royalties from that song for life, which is
Which
more
are
than
valued
1M.
at.
Which is more than 1M.
The thing is-
Right, yonke le.
Correct.
Correct.
But the thing is,
The thing is,
bengamelanga uyibeke kanje. Shout out to the 12 out of 12. 13, 11 out of 12 or 12 out of 12.
11 out of 12 out of 12 kakafiki, uDecember kakafiki.
Yeah, and you Kbrizzy
Kusanesikhathi sokuwona.
But abavusa kathesa kula ndaba you can still groove.
Yeah,
Still do
yeah,
anything.
English
It will
is
catch on with you later on.
Ngabo February le. Ngabo February le.
Yeah, that's what
Bawona anu suspect testing ngo January because
Yeah.
test kathesa uDecember
Uqala
yaphela.
umnyaka ngendubo.
Also uPrizzy wayebathembisile ukuthi like siza banika ama shout out.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
yes you did.
But
I was
that's
actually
how-
thinking about it yesterday.
Mina bathethi.
We're giving them shout outs.
Yeah,
Like
so you need to open
Yeah,
the comments
coach, things khuluma lapha manje,
and check out their names.
like into engayinothisa we promise abantu into eziningi nje. Like siyabathembisa
Especially abadakwayo.
then bese sidlula.
Alike lisitshele
Kulabanye
wena
abantu.
senzani
Kulabanye abantu
Angisho
abaphatha
mina ngisho wena.
Zana, kulaba abantu abaphatha of i-podcast le abathi during their recreational time bahamba bathembisa abantu izinto. Siyazazi.
Yeah, I'll bring you to
We have
the
a pandemic
podcast.
going on.
Apha risakhuluma ukuthi abantu sabathembisa ukuthi baza buya ku podcast asizidlalela. Like udokotela manje siyahlaba ama-injection akahambi labantu akahambi labangani bakhe abafuna ukuyabona abathi dokotela sihambe siyabona ukuthi ujuja njani injection
Uzasijujisa anongena isijujise phela dokotela.
anoke nisijujise lapho dokotela
Later 5 meals le.
yebona ukuthi siyenza njani. MC Penny.
Go away.
Wena umsipha wakho wena unyamalele.
So shout out to Mawana Speed le gang 11 out of 12 le. Mele siqhakezela izandla imithanga this year. Asikwazi ukuthaba imithanga o
They don't know it yet.
Umsula maybe sometime bake bamthi bamkhipha ku picture.
Kunento lana kuthiwa what pregnancy khuluma kabele. Kuthiwa cryptic, kuthiwa kuyini?
Ectopic.
Ectopic. Zwana mina nje cryptic. Angicabange exam ukuthi ngiwile during exams.
Kathi wena susiwa kuma exam njani?
Kunonga Dora.
Kunonga pass.
Kunonga pass.
Guys, you know what made it worse? Huh? It was a very good exam because the previous one had fucked me up proper. The lecturer was like, hey, wona vele ambona ukhangele i-laptop yami wahleka uyabona imimlelo uthi u-examine ebebhode ekhangele iphepha lakho ithi please answer please make sure you understand the question so mina utheka i-laptop yami wahleka ngahle ngabona ukuthi laba vele ngifeyilile yabo
afika wathi
manje
Ufike wathi Manchester United.
mama
But mina I think at least awukhubekanga nje. Mina I think ukukhubeka kuyangisa.
Mina
Because ukukhubeka i-fault yakho.
Jane, the way
You
she
failed to walk.
says
Yeah.
ukuthi uye ngayo bra. Uthi inyawo
But
ziqongile
isitulo
zibile.
I-fault yesitulo dog.
you
Umdala
know what
we-SABC
Vuyi knows
lo.
what I was wearing yesterday it was a short dress
just to give people context uJane uwile
intaba
Idiliki.
indlovu igudla isahla
Ilanga lishonile.
you know I was cruising that exam was kind of nice I'm saying this in case I fail huh?
Eh?
But it was
Wayisha-
so nice like I knew most of the stuff that was there you know hasn't ngisabhala isikhiwe ngisithembileyo akunikanga warning
usuyimonderera yini
Ngokuthola
wayimonderera
and everyone looked at me inyawo zayaphezulu bhayi wesiyogqoka isiketi esifitshane
ama-classmates akanjani in terms of ihumor like ngabantwana abadala abakuzwelanga
bathule during exam but ithe iphela ngiphuma phandle nje
Kana ngiphoza ufa.
ngabe ngitshayisana no-lecturer futhi after kuma-after celebration
Hani ngawufrembe kakhulu phela singaqedi la.
No, it's all right.
Ah,
right.
man,
I
me-
know it's still within the story.
Yeah.
mekela off ramp okugcina then
Yeah, just one time, just
namhlanje
for the question.
ngathi sikhuzwa ngoBreezy
Yeah, kumele sibe order.
But for a minute, it's going to school on Kbrizzy. Yeah. So I don't know how far true it is, but word on the street is you're not a known wearer of underwear.
mina what the fuck mbona uyabe kwazi
Hayi, angikwazi Jake, but
no
man.
hawa aliyangiqedela imjolo khathi birthday
What
what
you
the-
now when you word on the nangwazi
what
Jake,
on
'cause-
the
yeah,
what
word
which
dealing with
many people have seen
All right, let me
But
finish
uthina
my
abaningi
question.
abagqoki isikindi.
Iko phela
Mina ngudiscover
exactly, bra.
recently.
Especially the way he wants these days, bra.
guys
You got cheese,
I
bro.
don't mean to confirm
Yeah.
or not beat the allegations but then
Yeah,
sometimes ibenti iyachisa
Exactly. So nxa ukuthi izolo udope idola laphana.
bengigqokile hawa
Alright.
ake ngigqoki
Ngene ku exam ucommando mdala.
Sesimbonile leather lapha. Still yachisa dog.
Alapha
But
lethi
she's
ngawo.
like, "Look,
Lelela ngikuligqoke usiya.
downstairs
Uligqoke usufikile.
Nah, ngikutshengisela lona la ngizothatha picture.
Ade
Ileather lana. Imama ozeyinonga njengesofa.
ebantwini straight up
But isikindi
but
leather is pushing.
ndoda sebe silelo kwizenini sile mnyama lapha kade sithatha imjulujulu elichiya emaclub lapha emasofeni engaqwanga
Emchoveni. Ungena nje emchoveni ongqoka paint. I don't understand. Chick. As mina, I can't even look someone in the eye and going paint. I feel like I'm not respecting you.
Kuspampa nje ku.
Ungena skindi.
Ungene ku dolphin nje.
vele lami the moment nsiba wazi ukuthi iskinda uqoke like so
Ay, vele
vele senziwa lenhloni
guys
like awugqoka ngaphendi
Mina ngudiscover the last 3 or 4 years a lot of
what
clothes
difference does it
actually do.
make
dota awugqoka ngaphendi do
No, but still, Mgcini, my question is like, it's hot. It's hot,
Yeah,
though.
but it's hot everywhere, guys.
ile into fucked up
It's
ngisikhuluma ukuthi lina labe selifuna
Kakhulu ukudlula amanye amaphathi. Ngoba kade sikuyachisa about ugqoka iskip.
okay mina I will speak for some girls okay mangikhulume this dude ke guys yabona
Kharocheri bo kodwa banonileyo. La majida
guys
noni.
intambo iyasika sometimes yabo kabe kuyisize yakho sibili but
Koka
intambo
wrestling
yabe-
phela
yabe
ngakuthi
uncomfortable.
ngakuchisa. Kathiwa mina utshomfaka intambo.
Fupa
Mina
gaza
Jackie.
every day. Because also if you're big or thick, once go fupa and then izibungu vele ziyagijima impela.
Ziyadla.
Kugcina uthi
Ama-bucks-ana we.
ugqoke
no asikho ukugida kuthiwa ukuchola abantu nxa sihamba kebe kusithu
yabo kugcina kwathi ngakugqokele.
Kuze kube li-blunt nje.
Hayi. Wale.
anyways guys ama shout out to lay 11 out of 12
11 out of 12 gang. Siyacheka in futhi.
abantu
Hayi,
abangamithanga
12 out of 12 sebalo mnyama but anyway.
abangamithanga
Nejoke eyi-one.
man
Order.
Closed.
amawana sibindi cebo n mzomhle pums 24 miss luyanda lo ngululi Lula.
Angazi.
Lula.
Bani check.
LUILE_LUH.
Nontobeko, Monica Skhanyiso, and it turns out ukuthi lapha sile umuntu ole potential yokumitha the singer was. Because ngibona kuthiwa bulawa men lapha la ukuhamba wachecker in ukuthi 12 out of 12 I think.
Well done.
Shout out to you.
Exchange.
No, he's a woman.
Bovuyi. Sithwala nzima lina likhona.
Lapha okanton.
But I want him like ukuthi mina the day I get a exchange. Let my nigga smash.
One by one. Sesifonga ukuthi member yami. As J, angazi.
Akola into njalo.
Ngicela ningiconfirmele something. Like kulenye member yami evuki imbuzi sithi like samba out ngenye day. Sasesihlangana like labanye abantu yabo. Networking bro, like sethatha ama number yabona like siqasa ukuxoxa like after meeting ya. Then umember namhla ngithumela message uthi bro imember lana wayiqamba ngebiza ngisengimqambe ngebiza because maybe singabuyela podcast. Imember lana ikhona that day njani? Isharp. Mina
Easy.
Mina ngizayo ngathi izwi ndiya ngidobhi kahle because asake sikhulume yabo. Yathi ndoda umember ngithumela ama text lapho kungapheliwe and ngani seze double text loku double text. Mina uthini ubaba? Thumela ama message. Bro, ngitshela ukuthi ubafo at some point uyathi I sleep without my clothes on. Etsheleng indoda bro.
Inkabe la lingaqokanga.
Ubona lo ntantazi emoyeni.
Ngitshela ezinye inkabe ukuthi la lingaqokanga.
Kuza kungafika amasela enqunu. Isele listabani. Lokho kunye siyakubona but
these two guys haven't known each other for a long time.
Abazani bro, like what
So you just
after
made
lokhu
like
izini.
it's a couple
I
of
feel like
days.
that was a message.
No,
crazy.
but okunye futhi
Yeah, that was a signal.
okunye sesifika ku conclusion yakhona. Ukuthi thina umjida besingamboni for the first time. Yena ubafo ngiyade behlangana for the first time. But sesinjani? Sesi like ubafo lo wesibiyela first week umember sehle mthumela ama message kanjalo. Yabo?
Hayi, mina ngithe hayi.
Engethi ithe khona mina kaza kangenze. Mina hayi bro, thina sise type yakhe.
We're not the target market.
Ase type yakhe lapha ufika wena type yakhe. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
boys and girls, welcome to episode 99 of the ByoPodcast Ingxoxo 99.
I got 99 problems.
Danko is
But
thank
the
you.
problem ain't one.
Pastor
here now.
929.
Yeah. Pastor 929.
We are here now.
99 coming at you live from Zulu Fashion House.
Boom,
Dala
boom,
saqina
boom,
ukhulumi.
boom, boom,
I think
boom.
siyakhuluma ukuthi khathi siyakhohlwa.
Sikhuluma
But sokungikhaya la.
emele sibhadala irent phela ikubhadala irent konkhona khona.
Oh, yes, yes.
So-
Blue Fashion House, come through. There is a nice array of handbags.
Yeah.
And shoes.
Both lama clutch.
And yeah.
Is new gift. So
Toys as well, yeah.
Dama njangere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm an injury.
Njangere.
I'm an injury.
Eh, njangere.
So ngakhohlwa
Liyathanda ama
ukufike.
njangere my gents.
Isithabula mtsitsi.
Ukwabona.
Vuyi namhla utheni ngenhlambo. Yazi uyahlanga.
Bro.
yazi.
Namhlanje
I'm
sikhuluma
getting around my system, bro. Like,
It's like Mthwani if is the new Mgcini.
Bro.
Ngenhlamba.
Shavu is the new Mgcini.
Me, I know, I like, I know. Go talk about Nhlamba, yeah, fam. I just come in.
Talk
Talk
social
guys,
commentary.
maintain the joke one. Like, literally just to get around my system.
Abadala
I've got one more.
into le ibhaliwe.
One more than sending
Ungaboni
you
ama
to
chromosome yabe.
Khuluma.
Akuyisayi sesidani esidlule.
Usidanise. Let's hope also kusikhanzilise, bro.
No, it's not that bad.
And
So
this
we were
thing is,
talking about pads earlier on, right?
Yeah.
So there's this guy that went on Twitter a while back. What into this one groove. Tausis lava like ba git they groove until their pads become joints.
Oh.
Lirone jeki
Hi.
plant.
Anyway, speaking of pets,
Actually, if you think about
bloody
it,
hell.
if you stay too long,
yo, hey.
if you stay too long without changing, it looks like a big plant.
Asikuzile, bro.
Yazi le point.
Ujeni meqile.
Angekushayela izandla.
Ajeni meqile uzizwa sesibukile episode. But anyway, speaking of pets, sile segment lapho uvuyi interviewed umuntu we-Rotaract bekhuluma more about importance yama pads le hygiene associated le sanitary wear abafazi. So initiative yethu we are doing it on Wednesday. So many podcast le wilalele ngeMonday
in 2 days time.
In 2 days time.
So there's still a little time. So ngasifonela ilanga lengachoni.
Yeah.
Even if it's Tuesday, just to top off our numbers, would greatly appreciate it. Anything.
Yeah. But shout out to the people that have donated thus far, bro. I think we've managed to reach, if not 500 packets. Masiti 500 packets, it's essentially approx 5,000. I'm a paid as a
times 10,
donative.
yeah.
Can't it in a satisfied 100 pads.
So shout out to
yeah.
Lobola, uthumezile like. I'm sure by the time this episode is out, I will say with Sean Puffy Combs. Shout out to Sean Puffy Combs. Hope you beat them allegations. Coming, sending them donations live from the boat. We got the Shandis.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. More lives. Siapinda Futi. I need to say this is now an ongoing initiative.
Yeah.
So one of us, our biggest donors, Sean PDD Combs. 100.
If you still want to donate, you can reach out to Umthokozisi. I think for the last time. Not the last time, but for this segment.
Yes, limkhothise phela umthoko. That is
I've always heard us shouting this guy, but I'm
Lizamboni.
But you go on the organization.
We don't even know people in our department.
Esitshela khona i-Wi-Fi bro.
Kanti
Ngumtho phela. How? Breeze.
I really thought it was someone different.
No, ngumtho like mina ngamfunga ubhala mtho yabo. You know what hayi ubhala Umthokozisi. So Umthokozisi ngiyo okade sicollectela. And shout out to Umthokozisi for helping us yabona ukuthi isenze initiative yena le. Ngabanye abantu abadlale. Ngumtho. So you can reach out to Umthokozisi at +2637852397734 +2637852397734 or email us at ByoPodcast99@gmail.com for my details. But yeah, we're coming at you live from Zulu Fashion House. We forgot to congratulate Kbrizzy, Takudu, Taboka for the BA nominations.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Yeah, we're rock stars. Yeah.
Silama nominees. No, I'm sure by the time he...
But Taboka's one you vote, eh?
But then
for everyone,
by the time the episode
Okay.
comes out, you don't vote for all of them. None of my people's choice.
All right, yeah. Okay.
But congratulations, bro.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
I guess.
I guess.
Until we 2 minutes. Until we 30 second what?
Yeah, I see it like uzawin, maybe uzawin. Speech sakho uzawamajani.
First of all, we yangi this thing. Yeah. Sengokhala fana ngithi. Aqamile ukhude ekhulume lapha.
Yeah.
Khudwe bonga abazali into wathatha. Mina then bese ngithatha bese ngi-off-rampa.
Get back to work.
Ngithi about motherfucking time, yeah. Thathe amasuta ngu5 lambe yala. Disrespect to my face. But I was going to say something like that, just going to say. Obviously, with our BAAs, we need those kind of platforms for artists. We don't have a lot of platforms as artists. Yeah. As an artist, where do you really see us getting any kind of recognition outside of umuntu uyelapha, umuntu stage in a performer, and then what? Ngawathola bookings. It's chances like this. Plus, it's one of the few places. Njengase namas lapha the golf day went. Sakhuluma golf day la.
Golf. Fence like that.
Yeah. But that's one of the only platforms where most of the people who are actually in corporate in corporate seats don't know where to see artists.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyabe ngiroke Garden of House. Umuntu olethenda le PPC yabe ngeke Garden of House. But babe see them artistic at siyabona and they only get to see artists at places like BAA. So as someone who
but ungakhangela closely babe khona goba. Just that bebegida kakhulu. Njalo bonke abantu abale mali nxa bese groove benzani bro. Benza ngani abantwana abancane.
It's like I've never been in those spaces and we have those conversations.
Yeah.
It's only at places like Lapane PA, Abangani, they see you under that hat as well, and then they walk up to you and say, I'm fine, you're doing well. We just saw you get this out. Listen, contact us. We see we have a so, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, seeing ukuthi kulama BA and asedlulile. We decided as the ByoPodcast team on episode 99, we ByoPodcast Ingxoxo 99, we are hosting our very first awards.
Awards show.
Today, right now. So into enzakala
Yeah.
Besifake iphili kaMayithi
Oh my God, Mgcini vibes.
Maswera say, welcome to the ByoPodcast Ingxoxo 99 Awards. This is the first edition. First edition. So into enzakala la ngizakhuluma ama category. So ngizakhuluma ama category lama nominees.
Yeah, and these awards, nominees don't have to buy tickets, eh?
Nah, they don't buy tickets.
Okay, yeah.
You just come to the Byo TV channel, subscribe and watch this episode.
Yes.
So kulama nominees tina lapha, even la bro, like
You can get it.
we get to vote ukuthi who wins. Yabo?
Yeah.
So ngizabe ngikhuluma ama category lapha. Lama nominees engikhona, then we just decide ukuthi mbani win. Simnanda? So first category is Audience of the Year.
Alazi kuvele kwaba le winner la. Come on, no.
Audience of the Year CT, our number one fan. I wanna like umuntu lo has proven multiple times. To a point of
I'm the captain now.
to a point of even breaking things to get this award.
Yeah, I can only be one man.
And our nominees are Silompek Cyber, Silompek Cyber, Silo Bangers, Silo
again.
Music in Essay.
All right.
Music in Essay. Comment.
Music in essay for the first half of the year seemed like he had this in the bag.
He was in the lead, bro.
He bottled it. They know things.
Hey, Ghana from the blind side.
So Silo like a girl with a broken smile on Instagram. So I've noticed ukuthi kulabantu ababili podcast bami share ku Instagram, and I can say ukuthi I've seen consistency. We have seen lenye delegation ukuthi bekumela be part of ama
noma nje umuntu engiyamqamba ngoba nathi zaba kumtho, but since it's a part of the organization,
so
we
Conflict of interest. Yeah.
so banye ngibona ka eqithi ku poster.
so nanga ama nominees ethu for the last time, Mpek Cyber, Bangers, Music in Essay, Girl with the Broken Smile. Who is our winner?
It's gotta.
This one is unanimous. Bro.
Gotta be
Specs.
Yeah,
Let's give
Specs.
Bex his award. Shout out to Bex.
Shout out to Mpek.
Shout out to Bex.
Audience of the Year. So lawe ekhaya lapho laleleyo, you can be an audience of the year.
Plus Bex is a member too.
Yeah, he's a member. So
Bex is ahead,
yeah,
bro.
Bex
They can win this
was
award next year.
Yeah.
Umbex was wearing a flight.
Who fly it?
Mpek ulithot.
Why some transfer ku TV yathi Bex ndod.
Mpek bro, like last week besikhuluma ukuthi Apple podcast like ama like siyathopa ama charts ilandana. Mpek sijayele ukubukela nge-YouTube bro. But usize sikhuluma ukuthi sesithopa ama charts ku Apple podcast. Wahle wathi thina Apple podcast.
Commitment yakhe. Umbex is there.
Yeah, shout out
When
to
it
Mpek.
happens,
Like
we'll
abantu
be there.
like
Well,
if you-
Yeah, shout out to Bex, bro. Angaza unto fight energy so. Let us fight energy nje content.
Let us-
Let us niggas.
Ngokuthutha nje bro.
like
Shout out to Bex.
so if you're tuning in for the first time go podcast le sukwazi ukuthi sile number one audience, number one supporter of the podcast of the year, Mpek Cyber.
Umpekisa wangamsendlini wambelela ngaqeda. Umpekisa committee.
So like next category, please. Phrase of the year. Phrase of the year. And the nominees are number 1, audience.
Okay.
Audience, Anokenis Kotise. Anokenis Kotise. Is giving Zimbabwe.
Kanti silapho amanye ake yahlupha kodwa earlier in the year.
Msunyeni get back to it. Yeah, for a minute. It caused havoc in the street.
That one rocked.
But I'm a nominees to allow. Audience, Anokenis Kotise is giving Zimbabwe.
I'm not vote number 2, bro.
Yeah, I'm not getting this code.
For real.
I think that one should actually go to Ralph because I think he says it more than every.
Waba laliane singaza ngisikhulume ku podcast. Ngoba linye
wasenye ngaphelelwa imendo la.
Yipi enye ke khulunywa. Kunenye kathi yakhulunywa.
Kulenye futhi, kulenye kodwa.
Sasiku video shoot. Sasinga.
Hayi ukuthi like sesakhuluma kakhulu.
But kula mabhenga ndoda I think I 3 dog.
Ani top 2 za mabhenga.
Barano. So our winner is Anokenis Kotis, and the award goes to Anokenis Kotis. Anokenis Kotis yama award. Sesi athatha peli award to Anokenis Kotis. Anokenis Kotis lapho yama award mama.
Mina ngavele ngaqala ukukhotha ngisase primary ngashaya oma yogurt awama queen cake bavele bathi umfana ngathi has a bright future in front of you.
I must quote
King Curtis.
Next category, and we're moving on. Guest interview of the year.
Guest interview of the year,
and the nominees are
ulokuzibela this year, ulokuzibela last year, Chris Penyat we last year.
Yeah, Chris Penny we last year. This year
they put us very last year.
Nah, kalapa mano. And the nominees are Madlela's Kobo Kobo, Lang and Dimandi.
This one is tight.
Black D. We had Black D as well.
This was crazy, bro.
We had Uma 40.
Yes.
40. The name is so nice. You gotta say it twice.
Because my 40 guys are interviewed.
No, Uma 40. Lapa qualify la. Uma 40.
They could actually take
Lo Night Freak.
There's Night Freak too, yeah.
Who is the winner?
Let's vote. Let's vote. This one is tricky. Let's vote.
Yeah, let's vote.
All right.
I'm now vote to Black D, guys.
Black D.
Yeah,
Black D.
I'm caught between Black D. No la.
Mina vela nko mina ngizoye ngaqeda isikhathi ngizama ukuthi mina eyami ngekalanga bro. For me.
All right.
For me that one.
So
I
was thinking uMandlela but ulanga ngento azenzayo like
I'm not the name of Black D.
So it's a tie.
So it's a tie.
Lami cause Black D akhuluma kwahamba lamagetsi bro.
Yeah.
And she came back August 2 foot and she was going crazy as she was trending on TikTok.
I'll Black D way.
So Black D.
So I was Black D. What about you?
Bro, oh, it's a draw.
It's not a draw. Black D is
Nah.
only one person voted for Lang.
Yeah, I only voted for Lang.
Also voted for Langa.
So 3
still.
No.
No, silo muntu lapha like.
Uyasinika ithayilo.
Ungafakela ibizo.
Mbani?
Ngafakela enye ibizo vele kwathi still.
Still Black D away.
Black D.
Black D.
Black
So,
D, guys.
guest interview of the year goes to Black D.
But my favorite interview is Madlela, but anyway.
Black D lapha na sesiya thathi award.
Kanje wathini ngathi kuyakhela ne trend of TikTok.
Kudunuswani.
Nansi we Black D kodwa ngizwa somewhere ngeke podcast ukuthi azova umuntu ebakujaha ukuyikhipha nje. Wokuyichiye phakathi chama hazard.
Black tea.
But she so.
Yeah, but obviously greatest line like you. Hiyo leni ti boom 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 boom. Black tea goat.
Black tea goat.
Yeah, shout out to Black T. Congratulations for winning this award.
Yeah.
Then this one is a tricky one. Eh? I need you guys to shut the fuck up as I read these nominees because this is very important. No interjecting.
All right.
Political Party of the Year. And the nominees are ZANU-PF, 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 and ZANU-PF.
I mean, I'm gonna take a guess here, but personally, I'm voting.
You might be wrong.
But I could be wrong.
Mgcini is always predictable, but today I was surprised.
I didn't see this one coming.
I didn't see it coming.
Having is Lalila Lapabem, but I'm a nominees here too. Is ZANU-PF, Mtwarazi, ANC, and CCC.
Check number 5. I was up.
Well, by EFF talk. EFF yenza event lana talk.
EFF, all right,
Yenzani?
EFF.
Bafila up FNB state.
So right, Cecily
yeah.
ZANU-PF, Cecily Mtwarazi,
Yeah.
Cecily ANC, Cecily Triple C, Cecily EFF, Cecily ZAP.
You know, personally, my daughter.
ZAP!
Personally, my daughter, I'm a man. I'm not going to zoom dating. It is up. It is up, on this one, my chia.
Fana ufune inhlamba bale wewe.
As 40 guys, this is the only time when your vote matters.
Jay.
Usithini njengomani.
Before you vote, I gotta go fair.
Opinions.
Yeah. Mina into
Ngeke kufe.
engalitshela yona nti.
Yeah.
Ikuthi mina. I-vote yakho lapha. Iza determine ukuthi uyasebenza lathi lapha.
Avoteni kahle bangani bami.
Votani kahle bangani bami. So yeah, political party of the year. Who wins this one?
Asichithana ama mic sibone
I mean, if we're looking, if we're considering,
Manani asicitshini mama.
Ah, but we obvious, man.
Yeah, we win.
Yeah, that's 14.
So political party of the year. Who's winning?
When you team mngani wami?
ZANU-PF.
even if Obeni.
I think
If
if I
you
look
don't
at
like
it,
me, get ready to say bye-bye.
ZANU-PF.
maybe based on your research nje le impact the way izinto zenza, I'm compelled to say ZANU-PF. I said ZANU-PF. What do you think?
Jay, awula pateni abantu ama GT6 bro.
Yeah.
Those niggas were moving crazy.
Yeah.
It's true.
Those ones are gold.
BCA.
Chara, Wi-Fi, let's move.
They've got an unbeaten streak, bro.
Those guys are.
So, and our political party of the year is ZANU-PF.
Mwanangu.
Intolento.
But as in, like
Hey.
asicabangeni like imagine kube maybe inxibe esiphila komunye umhlaba like enye i-lifetime yabona like lapho ngaba proud cause I'm proud to be a ZANU-PF supporter. Hey, I guess you never know.
Yeah.
Guess you never know.
Guess you never know. Next category.
Next category.
Next category, sponsor of the year. Sponsor of the year. And our nominees are Zulu Fashion House, Curtain of House, Food Bandits,
Fuck.
BYO Memes.
Fuck BR memes. Fuck those
Who the
niggas.
fuck you those niggas, bro?
Fuck those
BYO
niggas.
Memes.
Abasenzeli lutho. Those niggas are.
Nah, I vote
Those niggas
Mpex.
have put us on, eh?
Stipend is $12 a month. Can't tell you stipend is $12 a month.
When I was playing
You
with my
want something
chips.
real.
But guys, Ogama VIP experience in this year was BR memes.
Yeah, that is true.
Man, Amani.
Like, VIP experience and invite.
Uyahlanya.
But anyway, fuck those guys.
Fuck BYO Memes.
Fuck BR memes.
I mean, I
don't
guess.
say that,
Oh,
eh?
yes.
No,
Why?
I'm doing it.
Mina.
Kadaba check vele city Garden of House or city Bulawa exclusive event.
Garden of House.
Garden of
BYO
House.
memes for me.
Garden of House, yeah.
Phambili ngo-CEO
for me.
wami.
For me, I think it's Zulu Fashion House.
Yep.
For me.
It's either BYO memes or Zulu Fashion. Your boss
Zulu
is-
Fashion House. Bro, how many episodes have we shot la?
Bro.
We got bro. That's like over 20 weeks.
Yeah, and it hasn't been a walk in the park, eh?
Yeah, like
Yay.
suppose
Trials and
tribulation. Like umastanda wasimela.
Phela suppose sarekhode ebhenjini lesithi
Umastanda wathi nginimele ma gents. Ngilithanda nonke.
Inhlamba yena.
Inhlamba yena. Like cabanga ngoba nabantu ade bengakwanisa ukuthi bas accommodating inhlamba esikhuluma la. Not ukuthi
I'm torn between Zulu Fashion House and BYO memes.
for me
I'm torn though.
Yeah, I'm torn between the two.
Hi.
Ize wabi. Yeah.
But for me, Zulu Fashion House.
Ngitheni kodwa?
Abantu bazizwa like
Zulu
Fashion House.
I know, yeah. Actually, yes. Zulu Fashion House.
Yeah, Zulu Fashion House. Shout out to Garden of House, but Zulu
Fashion House, yeah.
I mean, next time
And
I
the winner
time
is-
damn I vote BYO memes, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vote twice.
Young company sucking up to the boss.
Yeah, no, leadership.
You spineless twig.
Leadership. We appreciate you.
Yeah, shut up, my boy.
I saw a comment that was saying the podcast is nice, but they would want i-guideline yama-BYO or gigs.
Bafuna-
Monday basitshela ukuthi besisport.
Yeah, because ngeke sibe sikhulume ngama
Thina sibatshele everything that is going on in the city, the events, or Monday batshela phela ukuthi besisport.
yabo like into khona because
Show us something, man.
at the end of the day, we are running a business here. We are running a business here. If you want to advertise, into fungue advertiser, you pay us. Then we advertise it for you.
Because most of the people were actually, it's business.
Baningane Garden of House bongihamba wena.
That is
Business.
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 A problem with business is imnandi.
Yeah.
So, ngalibona lipho ukuthi lezi it's business, boy. What's crafting there? Expand.
there.
So yeah, next category. This one is interesting. Song of the year. And the nominees are Yebo by Ryan Synth, like our intro song. Yeah, Yebo, yeah.
My homies keep on checking you out.
Let's get into my head and visit me out.
Remember, like I say, he knows how to on the feet.
We're gonna get some for $1.
Hey, chicken in low hammer on the feet.
Yeah.
It's relatable.
So Ryan Synth featuring Too Young and Murphy Cubic, Yebo, Kiss Diliga,
Bye.
Jakudu,
Asfaleni,
and
asfaleni.
Kbrizzy. Lalanga qedi. Kwamu Madlela.
Hey,
Damn, that one is the
That's a
song
tough
of the year.
one.
Insimbi zezwane Jeremiah.
Question. Engomeni lezi zingake ezinominathiwela uma-BA. Close my case. Close my case.
This is not the base.
Labana bullet
This is not the
bias.
BA.
This is not the
My
base.
podcast, hey.
Go talk to
Hey,
Put AA. Yeah, these are our nominees. Mbalo Okti, Ryan Synth, Yebo, Kiss Diliga, Dakuti, and Kbrizzy. Kwam Madlela. Deti kwam le.
I think that one should be.
Angazavotela uRyan.
Insimbi zezwane. Jeremiah.
Nah, I can play allegiance la. A screaming in this Kwam was the shit.
Yeah.
Wait. Uyabona ingoma le uyebo. Isile how many episodes?
This is our song.
Isile
Yeah.
how many episodes?
It's our song.
Man, isile how many
I know.
episodes? Isile how many episodes?
I'm also with Ryan on this one. bro.
It says 100 episodes somebody.
Yeah.
So that song for 100 weeks has been playing every Monday to thousands of people. Come on, man.
And I've seen like people in the comments.
I'm Kwam.
Angavotela uRyan.
Ryan is a dog, but Kwam.
Me is not my dog. Fuck that guy, but I'm voting for him.
Leti kwam le. But I feel like
I was voting for Ryan is because the amount of people who ask what's the name of that song ever
Every
since
week,
the
bro.
podcast started.
For me, it's that song.
Even people who are not even black or Zimbabwe.
Umadlele ngaqalisa.
Like what's that song?
vota mdala. Vota
Ngiyathatha le podcast.
a podcast.
Away.
Anyway,
Away.
and the
Now
win-
three.
Away.
and the
You
winner.
guys are
winner.
from the Z party, but it's fine.
Yeah, you must
Winner.
shut the F up.
And the
Sometimes.
winner of Song
Yebo.
of the Year is Yebo by Ryan Synth, featuring
Yebo,
Too Young
This
and
thing is
Murphy
singing my
Cubic.
award.
I am ready.
All winners must come collect a packet of pets here.
Yeah.
Next category.
Next category. Podcast of the year. This is
tough
a
one.
tricky one. Tricky one.
Let's not
because-
vote us for ourselves.
No, Lalela. These are and these are the nominees.
So this is when
Joe Rogan podcast. Yeah, Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan, yeah. Joe Rogan, ByoPodcast, Podcast and Chill with Mgcini, Sticks and Stones. What I'm saying is,
Here you're now just putting.
Angwazi wasengani. We are doing something here. Ngani mute mic ka change ngathi comment channel.
but why, guys? Why are you laughing? What's funny?
Why
If I got any J or something.
It was just the alphabetical order. Rogan. How do you podcast and
Hey.
say? How do you sticks and stones? The alphabetical order.
Akona manye zochile.
Nah, it's okay. Let's go.
Let's vote. Let's vote.
Aqalani nina.
I feel like this year was a pretty good year for Mgcini and team. Those guys have set up a really strong network.
Yeah.
So yeah, just to shout them out, I'll vote for those guys. Yeah.
No, I'll something you find. Wonga podcast akanjula phansi ngwabukele ngaphandle kwethu. So my view is very limited.
Mina ngithi Mgcini shita tweka.
No, make sure.
Yeah, mina lama would vote for Mgcini because I think this time I feel like
Who are we?
no lani into khona thina serekhode la thina abanye abantu babukela and babukela bona it's fine nxa uthanda lokho esikwenzayo bukela isincane then that bese sihambe ezindlini bese sibukela lathi bese sibukela abanye so yeah I think for me
Even the Sunbit item.
yeah bro
That was inspiring. Shit, I'll make
It's been a good year for those
I
guys.
feel like
Watch the single episode.
kuqakathekile ukuthi acknowledge bro ukuthi you are watching something and you are learning a lot from abantu bakhona.
Noma besiqala abantu be-Twitter bethi you can tell if a podcast is a shit. But it's
Fine,
fine.
bro, it's fine. Yabo.
It's okay.
But yeah, so podcast of the year goes to Podcast and Chill with
Ngiyamele
Mgcini.
record yesidunu sibe sibethi si original. Nangwathanda bafuna.
In the next category, I think sisalelwe 2.
All right.
Sisalelwe 2,
Let's
but
just wrap it up.
siza at day 1 kuphela. Maybe nxa esikhohliwe singayifanga la line level lifuna ukuyifaka.
People's choice.
People's choice. You win a people's choice, ya win imoto.
This is fundraising, man. You're going to tell if you it.
Ya win imoto ka Euro Truck.
Oh, okay. Mega need for speed.
So, social media challenge of the year. And the nominees are as we do criterion banda, but ceiling challenge number
Mapato.
1, TT Tuesdays,
Front Mapato.
is giving Zimbabwe.
Magaro.
That one was going.
Ilokhu zibidise. Isilhouette.
Yeah, but that one was
last
forever.
year.
Yeah.
As I found people's choice.
Yeah.
Silhouette was last
Yeah.
year.
But yeah,
What are
these are the nominees for social media challenge of the year. Ceiling challenge, TT Tuesdays, is giving Zimbabwe.
I mean Tilly Tuesday, because Tilly Tuesday la last a bit.
TT Tuesdays.
No,
Ah,
Fela,
man,
even up to now, man.
I'm all for TT Tuesdays because every other Tuesday,
It's TT
my homies
Tuesday.
are getting TTs. I almost
What I'm
say it
saying, I
myself,
TT
and then I
Tuesday
saw
is
this would be incriminating
Every
evidence.
year they come and go.
Yeah.
Why?
No, in terms of shelf life, it has to be TD Tuesday.
Yeah.
However, I've got a very short attention span, especially when it comes to social media. But Ceiling challenge really kept me on my phone for close to 2 weeks, bruh.
Thomas Indent.
Hey, also in the
TT
Zion
Tuesday.
also tried it.
You know what?
Ukiki was
You know the owner of the song came down. JD came down to Joburg.
For real.
Yeah, he was in studio with Blakey the other day. Because of the item.
Get the fuck
No,
out of here.
yeah,
I'm serious.
yeah.
Shout out.
crazy.
Yeah, in terms of one hit wonders, Ceiling challenge, but
Yabona ivideo lena esithi mina ngingumuntu nje oyithandela ibele. Hayi ibele nje ngiyithandela. Yeah. So
Nazi-
TT Tuesday.
Yeah.
Last favorite
TT.
challenge, I know it was a while ago. And Spaka, see where I was really enjoying.
Silhouette.
Come on, man.
Was it paper?
Don't leave me.
Which
I
one
go
was
to
it?
don't leave me. I got my jokes. Look, I know what time.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, all right. Every time I go to
Last time I remember really enjoying.
and it wasn't even sexual. Like it was
Yeah.
like it was
Oh,
pure
and
fun.
speaking of non-sexual challenge, who remembers the Woolworths guys? The Woolies
mans.
guys.
Like the
Amalgamates.
drink man they would
Amalgamate.
Yeah,
1000.
photosynthesis. Yeah,
Oh,
and apparently
with some
people don't know,
emphasis.
but it took them far. They got a sponsorship.
With some emphasis.
Yeah. Twa angingaza twa wana kona se drive Range Rover nge challenge yona. But it could be it's yeah, angwazi la.
Anania, is that you?
Wanengi be drive ama Range Rover.
As 14.
Yeah.
As 14.
As 13.
Mina abantu engena la bichechi babo mina just giving Zimbabwe. It's giving Zimbabwe.
I know another one annoyed me from the kid.
Yeah, it's giving me lapho ngoba yeah.
I know.
But I'm not giving Zimbabwe mbulala ukuthi it went far, bro. It's Paris. Utata mapoto ne Paris.
It's giving Zimbabwe.
Oh my God.
Jane,
But
Yeah.
nah,
Votelani.
Tuesday.
Who's giving Zimbabwean? It's the one.
Yeah, it's
Also, can I
There's
take
a place
this?
I saw in another country, and ngathi ngibona isikhipini sankhona sasingakabi khona but ekhanda lami sithi
Ecaba mina into engichaza lapha kini. It's not even it's giving Zimbabwe.
Can I say something, bro? I mean, I also want to take this opportunity. I want to take this opportunity to also bring up abantu laba babele. Why wonke umuntu okhuluma inyoso ngamanye amazwi le flake eZimbabwe kubhayo? Mina I think so we bait. So we bait. Look, yeah. If you want to say something to kind of provoke people, you put a
Remove
Zim
that-
flag. This is what they do. I think they put that Zim flag on purpose.
for
And then you
engagement.
make fun of another country and then they just descend on you. I think it has to be. Because in also yonke. Kuna lo wathi qala abantu ngama
Tyler.
Who was
What
that
he
girl?
is
Over
giving
there?
Nivea.
Tyler,
Tyler,
eh.
that water girl.
That time, you know,
Good
busy
times
trying to
giving
fight
Nivea.
the roll-on
Was trying
allegations.
to fight
And
the
when,
allegations.
yeah.
And then today, there's someone who posted what he.
I was paying
I would never use more than $10 for a cologne. I'm like, why are you setting up?
Why are you setting us
Time,
up?
more than
Time
10 bucks
and
for a
again.
cologne. Ukhuluma spray phela akakhuluma like cologne because we are not even in cologne range.
Ukhuluma ngabo ex dude into zokuspray amawundo.
Ukhuluma
Come on guys.
Eh,
Phela
ukhuluma
ma, kule difference between flipped.
kuna spray le cologne baba.
Vele ungenza perfume ungenza cologne ungenza deodorant. Actually kule cologne le deodorant.
Ungabona ipresseke isikhathi eside aso cologne.
I hate
cologne.
that as a culture.
Lazi
For like
ngabona
a lot
wena.
of people, they think it's not. Umama wathi yena emsebenzini wakhe kulo sisi bido amtshela ukuthi yena she prefers her natural smell. Lapho uyanuka
Unuka isuphu. Usuke endlini unuka isuphu.
Royco. Uyabona ukuthi Royco.
Jay, umuntu ethi ke bekunganithiwa kunuka inyama eluhlaza but le Royco at the same
Abantu
time.
be Royco sicela sponsorship, you need to beat this allocation fast. Abantu banuka nina la.
These days kushisa njani? Mawuhamba so etown uphuma mebheshopele ekhona. Uyazi kungadlula umuntu phambi kwakho so uyazi uvela uthi
umoya wakho usithi
Zimbabwe. Yazi.
Azikethi khacha.
And it's not that deer is expensive. No, it's not.
But I mean,
they're cheap ones.
Vele roll-on yi-key noma ungalakho
Ikhona less than one.
Roll-on. Like
Yeah.
mina umdala I think one shift ambijana kwi perspective when it comes to amaZimbabweans and amakhwapha in SA. What explain what thing? Ungananzelela for the most part SA. amaZimbabweans or abantu abenza imisebenzi lana like physical
Manual
kakhulu.
labor.
Like manual labor ngama foreigners bro. Like yiba abathutsha like maybe nxini sithengisa ama spares emota kuyalungiswa lezi mota
Yabe
futhi.
lama long shifts.
Umakanika mbani? Umakanika ngumZimbabwean and mase thutsha lapana phambili lapana ku counter lapana sizo thutsha sesithi khacha. Yabo then leziyane yizo phela abanikazi be country babasebenza phambili lapha. Para kuthi ukuthi
ngiyakuzwa mgcina but kulalezana ukuthi uyazi umuntu uyabele nkani vele eyokufaka iroloni. Mina ukhona umuntu engimaziyo owathi yena akageze ekseni ugeze ziyalala.
Right, ufuna ukuzinukela kathi.
So uprefer kunukela abantu.
Also enye into vele mina ngikhuluma lo lama foreigner dog. Into lebe sikhuluma off cam ukuthi on average ungagada imshova eyi5 ngeviki. Out of the 5 lapho phuma khona umuntu ade nuka ikhwapha mingaki. And mina for me my average was around 3 or 4. So even last nukelana it doesn't even need to go to SA. Niggas are always smelling like shit. No, not here. No, I'm not saying here in this room. I'm saying khona lapha local ezima. Phuma wenye shop uzumuntu enuka konke ukhuluma. So I think we need to do the roll-on drive.
The roll-on drive is our next campaign.
Doing
also,
the roll-on drive.
If you get into a bus,
if you get made ngokwakho doing the roll-on drive.
Njengomfana otshone emaphandleni ngalokulinywa khona. Mina into lezichiphile. It's chill.
Ngambona phela ngisisenze nini ini roll-on drive.
Ngambona kuke wadlala iZimbabwe le Nigeria during the week, yeah. It's competition ozawina roll-on.
Wesikeme yakona ndoda kwangani kuya draw enye ya comment ethi ngithemba ikhophe nuyala.
Hayi lokho kufana sibubele
wethi abanye bayazenzisa because this week you see how hot it is this week.
Hey gachisa yo.
I stopped using I bought idio yamadoda because I feel like it's more effective yabo.
Leni yebenzela amabhora.
Ngachi abafazi ngiyabuyela kiyo masokwanisa ukusha. What did you say? What did you say? What did you say?
Zakuze ku episode.
No, but abanye bayenza ngabomo.
Yo ngiyachisa guys.
Abenza ngabomo.
Guys, bakhona. Mina I've heard them. And that one
person. Umuntu osuka sithi namuhla.
No, but kulabanye abantu abalohlofu futhi andela azuhlofu. Like icondition
ekho. They even take meds.
Naturally benonga nje amaqanda.
Amaqanda angcono. Iroy kholana sihlalile sibili.
Lokela nje yakwathi lento bangazenzisiwe majensi. Akamuntu othi namuhla ku hyper wazakhala ngayo. Akamuntu wenza njalo nje.
But omunye abengela ndaba ethi akafaki diyo.
Lokho bazambuza. Bathi dola umthova.
Bakhona bayenza ngabomo guys. Umuntu avele ethi I prefer my natural body odor.
Ifoni yawa.
Anyways, category yokugcina
yosihlalile kakhulu
sesivala like ama awards ethu sithanda ukubonga ama sponsors ethu kade khona Zulu Fashion House Thick Booty Chickens Mgcini weCode Piano Fest
I'm a Piano Festival man.
Oh, the queen. It's a queen. Yeah, stand to
I'm a phrase.
Stand to go.
Let's niggas.
Yes, what's the goal?
Honorable mention.
Honorable mention, yeah.
I know, people's choice. What's the goal?
Which
Disappointing team of the year. Dabas kuluma ngama sports.
Amafambulo.
Team yazi umfambulo ofambuleke wazwafambuleka and our nominees are Manchester yazidlalela
How? Kanjani
Manchester United.
and our nominees are Highlanders FC, India cricket team, Clippers NBA.
Yes,
basketball.
Clippers NBA. Even us now, they lost the league this year.
I was this year.
Lapha ama-delegates lawa ngithe zama ukuthi ngiwatshele like ngiphikise ukuthi i-Arsenal imele ingene but I know i-Arsenal what bagcina bethe Chelsea
Balamanga abantu be-Arsenal. Balamanga.
bathe Chelsea
Chelsea fambleni.
Chelsea
He
ifamlanga
was living in the running point.
League winner this year.
bro
I-Arsenal yethe.
so lapha seskiphi Chelsea sesifake Arsenal all right nanka lapha i-finalist yethu ama-nominees Highlanders FC, India cricket team, Clippers, NBA, Arsenal.
Mina personally ngizathi ebanganini bama wa close to me abala WhatsApp number ami lokuviya into zami ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngike ngashiseka ngebhoso umnyaka uqala
Hey.
ngike nganatha le njengo because I wanted to play D. Bro, so
Bro, busy ehloka lana
bro.
lana.
Ngabulawa elokubuza lezi. Ngihamba ngale ndoda ngafensi ndoda benginika some things there.
I had to put my own health at risk to support that team.
Yeah.
Ngiyacha amaviki landelana nje i2keys eBF engathambanga.
Endono wahambe ezishwabani wena.
Bro,
I want you guys to know.
As
There
a
was
priest.
imoto yami yadabuka igasket in driver nje ezishabani. Sayichiye ibhundu. sabuya sukanikisa imoto ngisupport ibhoso mina
J and khonokho vele is
Yeah,
not
you're going ham.
yonke into ndoda bro cabanga ukuthi sasithenga amazamba nedola jeke idola jeke imali ethenga isinko bro sasihamba kuma matches ebhozi bro sithenga izamba nedola lisenkomitshini bro
sithatha ama-selfie labantu babantu beku-background
Mfana.
befune besikhiphisa
Mfana,
amapicture
lama-
like we
lama-
went through a lot
lamabhede besefuna ukubuyela i-islanders because of
Exactly,
us
yeah.
bro
phela siqhama ngamaviki lana de sihamba siyahla le-grand stand besingena ama-5 past sibangaki
Bro.
besihambisa ama-$40 every week thina
bayidlile imali yethu ibhoso
Jay, otsho mna abantu bethe half i-season be-undefeated
These guys are not happy.
too many video yeah.
Yeah.
Omourinho
There's a
wathi-
theory though.
and umafoto akhuluma
There's a
athi
theory,
video
there's a
lena
theory.
izalinyisa thina zayala
Theory.
Ule theory, Toybos was doing well. Then Uvusam Kaya wabe. Wabe releasing go.
we will not tolerate Vusamka slander on this podcast
It's not coming from me.
Unacceptable.
I personally like that song so much. Yeah.
hey
nah
Vusa nguvuyi okhulume khonokho
Wow.
Antu yamazi.
Uvusa le recruitment la.
Yamazi.
Mina hayi ami voting ngenhliziyo yobuhlungu. Iye bafaneni bakamduwa laba.
Islanders
ODarlington.
Islanders
Fumble
India,
point.
yeah.
How did we go from
Hey.
undefeated to number 4? Singu number bani?
number 5
5. Asikona ku UEFA.
bro
Europa, dude.
Europe bro
Hayi.
Europe eAfrica idlalelwa ngapetchipinge
abafana bebhoso ngicela nithi singaliboni shuye emaklaphu ngoDisemba you break our hearts
Ngisebenza la ngisa lo Mourinho ngabangani bakusembuzo ukuthi i-team yake
Yo,
ona
Zema.
isupport.
Funny story at the
Highlanders.
last Garden of House. Hey, I was buzzing. My friend is like, Jay, now I'm captain of Post. Take a picture.
Lolu
with it."
yinachi.
Why not? To this day, I've never posted that picture.
kule picture ngoni
Aba next season.
siyayifaka ku episode le
Aba next season.
siyayifaka
Opa
episode
ngiyibona ngisikura yogarare. Andiyemba mbani.
please
Ah, next
homies.
season kodwa
Next
siyahamba
season.
anyway.
Mina i-story zami zokuxoxela off game labantu lama-player bhosa it's a crazy one
mina ngike ngalokhu is like RIP to Ramon Gumbo
Yeah.
ngike ngafika ku memorial service
Yeah.
ama player boss ngabona for the first time like eduzana anti
No, so-
ngikhathana ngani leginqo level edishayini eground lapha then ngasebemba ngabona eduzana yabona
Binukelela.
not akunukelela ngwazi but yabona njenge player lebhora man la mele uhlafuna ichingamo ufaka ama airpods man and look cool
ugele ube le fresh card
Hayi
akhona
ko
wayelele.
airport yana la ningathi bethi ko airport.
Ube nama-locks.
la uzame something man
Better my locks or tint or something.
Ah, abafana baholi kuhle but anyway.
Yeah.
Understand it.
That's
Mina nje supporter lebhoso magents. Ngakholisa those were some of my best.
bro
Sundays.
those were the best days bro.
Ngasasikholisa.
I remember so kulenye igobhoring engangigida so
Was what azamana sasihlanya nabantu.
le day lana ujaha ndoda siphuma ndoda ujaha uzogcina sihambe the place bro
doja
La umuntu angaphosa ngama iroli but abangasendithabe kakhulu. Mina ngaze mvuka ngama iroli ngiyebutha abantu bakho lezi yazi yakuthethisha lezi. Umisi igabha lakho leli.
yeah siya but mele sibonge iboss bro
Yeah,
I feel like if not quarter of i-content yethu besiyithola from ama-matches ade sihamba kiyo
Yeah.
Kwaba le denga abuyela lapha irigale yami head to toe yakho.
yiyo lena yothi
i-day esamute khona because you're just
Alathaba
Breeze.
kakhulu.
yeah ubreeze laphana waye-emotionally lapha
Asingeni.
emotional but guys now that siqedile ama-award ethu
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think at some point kumele sibe honest ngokuthi i-iPhone i-trash phone enganani I feel like into lezi zi-ignore isikhathi eside like iPhone
Apha sesiyakhuluma
Ah,
sasikhuluma la.
I feel like maybe ngokhuluma uyi-one sakuphisa
Labavumelani la.
but at some point kumele sivumelane ukuthi i-iPhone la sometimes
Singisi volume, bro.
bro like kwenzakalani kanti ngilokhu izini ngevolume ye-WhatsApp
It's a bug apparently. Yesterday I was with a friend of mine. He's a software engineer. So basically, kule bug that's affecting.
It's a bug umnuko sesifaka amafoni efrijini ngoba sifuna ukuwaplaka
No, bro. Like I choose a check on my phone.
nje amafoni ayachiza bro
Yeah, iPhone izacha isi BlackBerry nyalichi.
Yeah. Remember once upon a time there was a phone that was recalled.
Was
I
it
think
an
was it a Note 8
giving
or
Chawa
S2
vibes.
S8? Yeah, Dubuga G phone. Yeah.
it's giving
Note, yes, it was a Note 7. You're right. Yeah.
is
Yeah.
azozibulala Kulala silele,
It's
ne?
giving chabang.
Giving chabang.
Ngathi ha.
Abe ngiyabona ukuthi iPhone
but iPhone these days,
angazi maybe nxa into le yenza mina ngiyedwa.
sebethengisa i-volume
Dog.
of all things.
Into le kumbe yenza mina ngiyedwa bro. At some point ma ukucall so iscreen siyaba mnyama.
Bro,
Yeah.
ungazame uthi
so
Yeah.
You know what you're supposed
We
to do?
couldn't
You're
press like the
supposed
power
to
button,
wipe.
then you end up cutting the
and you
call.
have to hang up.
You're supposed to wipe like you see where your camera is.
khona kungaqala ngiwenza. Ngaqala ngiwenza
wena
khona.
usuginqela isensa ndoda.
Kanti ayikho waterproof lo waterproof isimiswa
but
lithi.
Iginqo lebe lesizwe ngani kulolutho
You
phela.
have to wipe that item, but also ingayala
But yeah, mina ngaze-
zibe sharp.
Angazami boy iPhone but namuhla besenze enye into eqhakathekileyo sibili.
Hello. Ngiyamazi.
Yamazi.
Yamazi.
Mina ngicashule i-MacBook exam. Ilokhu ivala ama application.
Kule bizwe lakho wena babekunikela lona
Ulecturer
lakudala.
wabe sithi I told you
Oh,
MacBooks
lesa
are useless.
mana ngiyasibona. Ngiyazivalela.
Anyways lapha ngathi seqine. Uthini nje?
Bese sijampile sesikhuluma ngoba.
I-iPhone very Apple ingibhoyile this week. During exam i-laptop yami bevala ezinye izinto. Ngazi omunye ulecturer ote beef livele le Apple wathi I told you MacBooks are useless.
But silele ngifanatic lapha.
Ngenxa laptop yakho nale fence ngathi.
Mina sayiza isikhuluma iPhone ngaze sebenzisa example ye marketing ye Castlelight.
But ngeke ngishiye.
Ngathi Castlelight kade abantu bayadvertise.
Ngeke.
Excuse me.
Ngeke nchi iPhone.
Asichi.
Yeke.
But namhlanje babesenze enye into eqhakathekileyo like into le lo member le bese sizama ukwenza into le for the last 2 weeks sehle ukuyithola. Sathi ithola iPhone ebiyala kusebenza.
iPhone fani yabhoyile yacicha.
Yabhoyile
iPhone
yathi,
ila
you can't
mafani.
use the phone emergency calls. Imagine.
So, Castlelight
Mana.
Bathi ngiqedwe point yami.
Mana ngiqedwe. I want Jane ngiyambona ngani sesikhangela fun. Into esiyenza Jane bese record interview.
Bese kodwa interview lo munye umuntu ongatholakaliyo.
Eh.
Like umuntu wakhona is hard to get. Then we got the person, we tried to interview the person, the phone froze.
Yabhoyile yacicha dog.
La uzowakhangela. But anyway, waqhubeka waxoxa istory sakhe. It was so embarrassing.
Mina into engibhoya I think le vele imbo. Kanti why mina ngale ngiromance ifone ukuthi ifike 100% mangicharge khona.
Yeah.
Kurumisa ikwenza.
Like uqala ungathi uyayikhipha echargeni.
Uyiyekela
ngathi
If you remove the pouch, charger quick fast good.
Sengawuzama mina
Oh,
la
ifake
khona
phansi.
If you remove the pouch.
Mina yafaka phezu kwe
We
frozen.
mustn't do that.
I very
Remove the
well what
pouch,
does it
uyifake
even
phezu kwe frozen.
Hayi.
But please kule point yakho ufuna uyikhulume kanini ngifuna ngizavumelana naye.
I-Castlelight ungabona ama-edayo onke i-refreshingly cold. They're not even selling anything that has to do with the production process.
Temperature.
They're selling temperature, which every beer has, but when I lean towards that. iPhone lapha sathenga phone. It's not even about the functions anymore. It's just become status symbol. That's all it is.
Away.
But this is bullshit.
And to beef up your point, I'm not sure if you guys watch a show called The Fall of the House of Usher. But there's a very popular scene about this guy like talking about lemons, how to make lemons the most expensive commodity in the world. It's a very long video. It's about 2 minutes long. So if you get time, look at it. But iPhone and our perception of it is nothing but a PR stunt. I'm not sure if people know this, but there's actually a contract. Like legally, in movies, villains can't use iPhones.
Anjabo.
Like in any production, whatever, and the bad guy in it, the antagonist cannot use an iPhone. Yeah, one. So it shows you the lengths that people go to just to make this seem like it's a good phone.
Let me tell you what iPhone did that I'm really upset with.
Yeah.
What they did is obviously their first concept was end-to-end control. Okay, fine, we took that one, and then when they gave us an iPhone, they were like, okay, you give people a product, and then you break it down into smaller pieces and make them pay for each component just slightly higher amount than they would have gotten the entire package.
Yeah.
If one edit kalubuya machenza, if one, yeah, ile charger, yeah, ile my earphone, yeah, ile music, yeah, ile space.
Yeah.
Bakala basithathelani space, what is battery? I-music, kwaba yi-subscription. All right, sweet.
Yeah.
Basithathela space, kwaba so many say iCloud kathesi. Because all we're paying for is space now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Basuka lapha sebesithathela i-charger.
Yeah.
Bathe i-charger basayifaki because they are being environmentally friendly. Basithathela ama-earphone. Bathi sebesithathela ama-earphone, bawakhipha intambo.
Yeah.
Now they make you pay extra for intambo.
Yeah.
Ah, come on, bro.
And
did
just
you
the
know-
volume ya WhatsApp.
Sebesithathile volume ngathi uyazi ngade
They need
senze
to-
screen brightness ngiyakutshela.
But
Yeah.
if there's one thing,
Uyamthombile so.
guys, what the,
Ngiyakutshela, bro.
even
I'm
though
talking about
Sizonda,
Joy.
there's one good thing that they did. When you sign up for something or when there's what, and then they send you a password via text and it comes out automatically.
Yeah, but no.
Yeah, but many folks
That's
do
one
that.
good thing they
Yeah.
did.
Silomuntu ukutake lapha in the building and
Yeah.
angiyakwazi akathanda ukukhuluma vele. I'm sure bonke bahle bathi bamnike imali.
Khuluma bra.
Bonke bahle bathi but singafuna ukuzwa like iperspective yomuntu ukutake industry nge-iPhone ukuthi like what's really happening into ama complaints etonke wena lawa
We are lodging complaints.
lokuthi like wena ngelihlo lakho maybe ngicela umuntu ukutake thina esingakuboniyo because thina sithatha ngama pictures WhatsApp. Do you see any difference than thina esikubona la?
Yeah, maybe I think in Lama biases towards the entire like Apple ecosystem. But yeah, WhatsApp like our volume like unkuzo like sometimes uma status ukungani place news vela kusela sound yasomela ungani ya exit.
Then
So
also
I think
ikhweza.
maybe so ngaba ngama
Amasimba.
yeah maybe update yeah konke lamasimba or update like regularly maybe like a version like a WhatsApp.
Okay.
Then, yeah. But yeah, Apple they make us pay for everything. Like everything on my charge kwakhona kucina nje ngo 99 something 99 everything.
Kodwa kuyizinto ezipart of
None.
it.
But-
ukuthi they are making us pay for what people iPhone mostly it sells the camera. That's the main like very focus yabo. So if they improve like the camera, the image quality improve.
Yeah.
So yeah, shoot at something or to shoot at 4K at 20 picture available 20 megabytes or something like that. So just to remember on a day trip, selling a shoot a katesi locals and I got to record a by how many gig
The podcast. Think about 10 gig or something.
by 10 gig. So if you storage and lingaba le maybe 1 tera locals and linga shoot my podcast on 99.
Kodwa ithera yakho na somele ibhadalele iproblem.
Somebody, yeah.
Ha ispace ivele che.
Ngaboni ngitweet ku
But anyway, enye into futhi cause mina
Game masinya lapha. Kodwa uyaphuza ukhulu.
besides that
Hayi
relax.
anyway, enye into futhi guys a technical ngama iPhone especially thina esebenzisa la ngana recent kakhulu. These items sefaka
vele
these
wasigeja.
items asefaka ama chips aphosa ukuba powerful njenge laptop and iphone ayela any cooling system. Your items are made of aluminium or whatever metal. So it's bound ukuthi heat up. Lama heat wave la
Laptop
khona.
yam ibichisa today and ibingaconnectwanga.
It's an air, right? Because if it was a pro, it was gonna have
Yeah.
fans or something there.
So abafakile amafeni.
Exactly.
Samele sincenge bafakele
So
lama
if only into ababhayiza ngayo, of course babe ambitious, bafuna ibe powerful, bafuna i-camera ayiprocess yonke into. But bagcina if I-processor too powerful, igcina
The
ichisa.
camera then I think it's kind of a filter that they've associated with Apple because there are other phones that have very high resolution now. But
I
it's
mean,
good.
there was a test that was done
Yeah,
between
need to try
the latest
photonic
iPhone at the time and the latest Samsung at the
Samsung.
time. I think they wanted to test like zoom quality. Zoom quality yakhona. They zoomed into the moon.
Your space.
But
yeah.
mina ngiyangizuma ngifuna ukuzumani mina.
Yeah.
You know,
Zing,
iPhone
ibhizi,
really wins
zong.
a blind photo competition.
Where they don't tell you
Like,
which phone is this
exactly.
phone. It really
Bengaphuma
wins,
uthatha
bro.
amafoni kujele kuyina abo Xiaomi lan. But
Phone that is Xiaomi.
yeah, that's
China cheka dangerous mntana. Actually, there's a stat that I wanted to share with you guys. I'm not sure, like, well, ngiyakudala. I'll just have to update a bit. But
She state mdala
anyway,
lento engichisayo
at
lapho
some
ngimele
point, the unit cost of making an iPhone was $5. $5. I'm not sure how much it is now, but I doubt it's changed because they benefit from it. They benefit from economies of scale.
nah, it has changed now. They're getting the OLEDs from Samsung and other
All right,
items.
yeah.
Yeah, it has
But
changed
I
now,
mean,
definitely.
it was that small.
Yeah, then bese ngikhuluma mina ngathi ngabona tweet la tweet ku X. I saw an X on X.
On X.
Athi mina sifake i-tweet of the year yabo.
Tweet of the but anso ngikhulume but umuntu lwana umuntu lwana wathi njengababukeli be-podcast asihlanganisele nomunye umuntu ku-podcast labana simhlanganisele amadola sidinge like i-tempered glass.
Lani futhi.
Hey, anti yasebenza.
The tempered glass.
Le ibonti yasebenza temper glass.
Mina then ngase ngisuggest ngathi le pouch. Yabo but asameni.
Yawazi ukuthi into efani kwinani. Sesathola ama sponsorship ayi2 from people who do accessories. And this guy is always uyabesendaweni zakhe.
I don't give a fuck. Why didn't you touch it? Yeah, tell about donations la. Yakwazi ngeke ngathi ngudakhudu ngabe ngiansi code ngiqeda. Kanti le piece etemper glass endlebe. Yathi khudlu lapha sokumoshaka. Umuntu uzasika indlebe la. Yeah. Yabona iphathe phezulu le. Yasale indlebe.
Into efani uthanda ushabe sinika ama-accessories uniyebo ngekho ndo sebasinika ka2
na vele ngihlala ngikhutha ama-episode ongani kuyatholwa something na ngihlala ngekho
la namuhla futhi
interview nalesi siqeda kuyenza lo Ralph umuntu ade sim interview asoke sikhulume because abantu bazaqalisa uku-expect episode la but izabuya umuntu angikhona sithi siqeda interview abe try keep $20 wathi naku bafana bambiza thenga lunch
wagijima ngena ku big body BM yakho
wahamba uchapha so yabona lokhana ukuthi singaqeda i-interview umuntu yakahlala embijana ngathi uzama ukuxoxa lani
umuntu obhizi lo vele bengasinqini
Ani umuntu abelanda ukudle elokuze.
But futhi enye into futhi at least le venue le is central ama venue sesasebenzisa. Yabona singali i-issue yethu ukuthi venue yethu ayikho central. Umuntu asimsusa ngibo sizomletha kithi.
Yeah.
So ngasingakathi yabo.
But anyways, asidonetheleni umnikazi wefoni le imali ukuthi atshintshise mina sengifakile la $1 angazi ukuthi abanye bazadonate njani but be an example. Charity begins at home. Singagijimeli ukuthi khona kuqhakathekile sibili ukuthi siwadonate ama-pets but umuntu maye sezesikwa yile kuzena
ma umuntu sezesiba nefoni
pouch drive
Kana umuntu okukhuluma lo kana
ifoni enganithiwa iwe emoteni
angikwazi
ayithwala ifoni
maybe umuntu lana ukubona somewhere because amboni ukuthi sakhuluma ngakho la
ngithi susethe standard and so kade somele siqala ibusiness yokuthengisa ama-temper glass asekrekile.
This is called a retro look.
But yeah, ngoba nababala newspaper la.
What newspaper? I won't even lie. I only read the paper when I'm in it, bro.
Hey,
yes, man.
Yeah.
I'm not flexing, man. I mean, it's only been about 20 times, bro.
Oh no! Speaking of,
I actually need to go get my article at home.
Money in my tent. Speaking of, gents.
Yeah.
I was on the cover of a magazine. Oh, yeah. What's up, niggas? Me, boy.
Yes.
Jay. On the cover, boy.
Yindlela ikho bana khona ukuthi Ralph Ham dog cause mina I was on GQ
bro.
So it's a bunch of rockstars.
Yes.
You on GQ, my boy?
Yeah, I was on GQ, bro.
I feel like
but uzanguthule uzokwenza ungathi amahamba.
Nah, ngathula dog. I didn't say anything, bro.
No post ka one, bro.
Kana mposte kangaka? Poste one day. 1 week. Poste 1 week.
But I know, like it shows what you guys are really doing the most, eh?
Yeah.
But into the mfunkhuluma ngani ukuthi kuphume headline ku news sometime during the week. To Lobola payment optional. New Marriages Act ijo njalo ukuthi ubhadala lobola is optional. So I remember my awuthatha akakho serious because ilobola
But it's never been mandatory.
Ngaphansi kwasobhala ukuthi you can pay
with eco-cash.
Abalayo busifuna ubabazala ethini.
What are your thoughts?
So inambe ngisendela lapha.
Yafika nje la umbuzo uthi akasola virgin futhi.
Vuyi ungaqala ukuhamba ema negotiations wena mfana wena.
Ngiyasezela
Lapha siyabuya singala makoti la.
No, siyabuya sichayiwe.
Singela mabhashi.
I feel like Vuyi ngabe kudala wathula the one but into azikhuluma eziyamkhanzisa.
Vuyi umlomo wakho urana ngedizzy.
Ngazibona unthanda after listening to this yeah, that's true love, man.
So you don't think you know, when
Abasoke
it comes to
bakuthanda
love, you must
uthi
compromise.
bazakuthanda.
Actually, to be honest, I won't even lie, bro. I don't give a shit.
Mina ngiyabengikhrev ukuthi amadoda ayizinja every day, but ngiyabengibona ukuthi you know what, uyakhona ukuthi
No, but I don't want to filter myself, man.
You should,
Imagine
nigga,
thinking
come
that.
on, you should.
Imagine scheming this guy's a gentleman and usungeni ephakathi.
Also very stubborn. I mean,
Wait, how?
I feel like
stubborn, I don't mean I don't like his stubborn. I have lots of friends who are. But then
Fana
these
nalo muntu
gents who
ukuthi,
publicly
I'm not racist. I'm not
display
black friends.
no, but these
Exactly what the
gents who
racist would
publicly display their hate for women.
yeah. Actually,
Umuntu uyabe esharp. Mina personally, I have spoken to girls. I've spoken to girls that genuinely like Vuyi, but because of the stuff he says, they just step back.
then they don't like Vuyi.
Then they don't
No,
like
then they don't like Vuyi. Yeah.
Before
Because
say
Vuyi is the stuff he says.
massive. Bemfuna ukuthi
Easy.
ivili kaVuyi mfithu uthi mangiba angacabanga inhlambi ethi ahlathi but kule podcast
Ngikhuluma ku-podcast.
ahlathi mangifika lapha
Ngizabalayisa.
hanza khuluma ku-podcast ahlathi khuluma inhlambi but yeah
Actually, that makes sense.
bemfuna ukukhuluma
I have a friend of... Khuluma.
bemfuna ukubuza ukuthi what are your thoughts about
Indaba yelobola le.
lelobola le
I-problem ukuthi obviously ekuloboleni awudili lo muntu wakho kuphela udila labangiwo. So umuntu wakho sele ngavumelana nabantu abangiwo bazathini, and I feel like
No.
la nxa umuntu ofuna ukuthi into yini ibe lesithunzi even la ngakibo, if something is their culture, you just go do it, dog.
Mina, from what I've seen, if a girl really loves you and abangibo azwe amahunga ukuthi they are overcharging you, uyabakhuza because she wants to build with you. She's not
But
trying
yeah,
to
because
destroy you.
this is...
That's
akabakhuzi
if uthethe umuntu okuthandayo.
akabakhuzi ngizalitshela mina into enzakalayo I think into lezi engiyayikhuluma before akabakhuzi like wena nxa umntwana oyinkazana baza kubuza wena ngini ukuthi indoda yakho yenza malini and awusokuqamba manga because la ufuna ukusuka ngini ngesithunzi sokuthi mina ngimntwana oyinkazana okhitshelwe ilobolo elikwanini
But
Into
those
yezo.
people normally abasuka kukhipha imali eningi kakhulu. Indlela asuka kuthithe ngayo.
no but it's not always the
Especially
case
low osuka angathi uyaku-abuser. I'm not saying like physically, maybe emotionally, because uyabekwazi ukuthi abangini bavuke ngami. That kind of thing.
Anavele ngiyembele opinion entweni ezinje. Read the situation yangini. Omunye umuntu ngiwo sebengathi what, but I feel like ukuthi bethi aba girlfriend yami sebefuna ngizolobola mina ngithi ngiziphephe ithe.
plus lama I don't see how government or target uhulumende vele could dictate ukuthi ikwenzakalani kumalobolo bro like
Maybe sengakwenza.
we understand ukuthi like you guys own everything like
Did you see that tweet? Ekasisi lwana okuthiwe the husband is suing her father for ilobola le 2.7 because they found her cheating.
Khathi manje umdala ungena.
Andumdala usedlile 2.7 yelobola wena.
Uyabona
Usisi
Jay?
bamthole embhedeni nomunye umfana.
Yabona-
Umkhwenyana usesuka.
ngathi lobola ngilani vele guys
Lalela, vele those things are like Dave Chappelle,
Appreciation.
what it's like evil Knievel. We get paid for the attempt, nigga. There's no guarantee this shit is gonna be good. Get paid for the attempt. So when uzolobola umntana abantu, there's no guarantee ukuthi akasozokufebele. There's no guarantee ukuthi uzabe akasozobeli chapa. It's for the attempt.
But kudala ilobola ayibhadalela umuntu yabukwazi ukuthi liyathandana.
Yayikhitshelwa.
Like you are
ngazithi
it's a
usubhadala
token
Ngawuthi
of
ubhadala,
appreciation.
so ngathi
Ayikhetwa
uthengi- so-
futhi
so ngathi
ungathi
uthengi
abathe
back.
wena bhadala 5,000 ungaze uthi ukhiphe 1.
Kule
They
nami
won't say
ngibona
anything
kuyomfonela
because
ka+86.
theyathandana, you know?
Indaba zakudala indaba zakudala zazifuqelwa ngaphansi khathesi kuhle kube segcekeni umuntu engachitha ubanjwa masinya because of social media
ngokuphapha
kudala vele
uBlack D wathi mankazana ukuphapha udingani yini oyisechayo usuzudinga uthola indoda
Udunuselani,
uthola indoda yafeva
Dunuselani. Yazi remember that?
ibuda
Sendele clip ya udunuselani.
isende intengi
I love. Tengise.
isende
But
isende
bese phendulile uthi dunuselani.
isende
I've been quiet the whole time. Now when two guys
ukuthi sindebele la sonto hayi sindebele la so
Yeah, it's a written language. Not
sindebele I feel
play
like
Miss Ndebele kodwa mina ngakhuluma uthi umfana
Up to you.
se-ofrempala.
Lawa instead of uthi
vele
ukhuluma
wena
umuntu-
uyi-off ramp okwagada ama-BMX omncane
Yeah, I did that.
yeah indlela indlela off ramp
Vuyi ukuthi abafazi bakufune ke ukhuluma inyoso kuphela.
ukhuluma inyosi.
They'll take me as I am, man.
But vele uyathi sekujwayele then inyoso siphuma later sokuthiwa
Yeah, but abantu abahlala bezibuza ukuthi umjida obhongayo ku-podcasting ophi after episode le like this is afaka like ngiyade interview guest yethu athi sila you get to see the man behind the mic. Manje
Brazil.
Reiko.
Gomora.
Gomora
Uvuyi basembluvuyi laba. Uvuyi la budabula ama royalties eGomora. Gomora.
That's fucking funny.
Nteng lokuza i-video esayiposta i-snippet sokupromote i-previous episode. Kulomuntu wakommentayo wathi can we suggest yini izinto lingakhuluma ngazo ku-podcast. Ngamtshela ngathi reach out ku-DM and umuntu wathumela i-message le wafuna ukuthi simenza be-anonymous. Angazi kumbe nguye kumbe nguproducer othi siyenze kube anonymous but
anoke nesikhothi senaphi
Wati, can you talk about the transgender ku Miss Universe and how Kbrizzy thinks Brooke did ku Miss Universe?
ubroke transgender
Oh.
okay
Hlanganisa izinto. So just to give you context of ukuthi transgender khuluma ngani. Miss Universe 2023 paved the way for transgender inclusion in the global pageantry with the inclusion of Miss Portugal, Marina Machete, Miss Netherlands, Machete.
you see munhu ane gender afanira
I've been quiet the whole time, bro.
Marina Machete and Miss Netherlands, Ricky Colley, marking their first time trans women participation in the competition. I don't know, what are your thoughts, guys? What are your thoughts?
I mean,
actually bro this thing is crazy for me because females abantu abazalwa bengabafazi like Caster had to go through a lot sokuthiwa banathi amaphilisi to suppress their testosterone but she's like naturally a female but bathi she has an unfair advantage over abanye nxa begijima lapha so kumele athole some medication to suppress whatever but she's a female bro natural. And then
we have
on
niggas.
On the other side, we have people.
Niggas.
Bona bana me baba bakhona futhi babese coach lana besithi uCaster kumele reduce. But on the flip side, they're just saying niggas should be considered kuma pageants on la kumbe kuma sports abafazi. So to me it's just a crazy double standard. I don't even understand. I don't even know how I can begin to understand that kind of thinking.
Once it's white people want to do it, then it becomes okay.
Exactly.
I built a strong argument on this. When black people had fat ass, it was
The fat ass.
the fat ass.
The fat ass.
Bunda.
It was they were put in human zoos.
Yeah.
Until white girls started having fat ass, and then it became a standard of beauty.
Yeah.
Full lips, baby hair. They've done it with almost everything. While we ranting on each other about into the white appropriation, I spoke about rock and roll. I spoke about hip hop. All of these things only became mainstream when it was now white people wanting to do it. R&B, and it's the same thing now with the. And I'm not saying black people want to do it. It's chilled. But it's like once. Navele, I said it last episode, and I think that is the best way I can always answer this question. If we cannot agree on something as definitive as sex, it's just one of two, dog. That's all it was. And if we can't agree on that, that's how we stay divided. We'll never agree on anything. We'll agree on religious beliefs or social norms. We'll never talk. That's all people need to know.
Then
As for abantu laba, sorry, I was able to get chama sports. Dog, it's just sad, bro. It's just sad. Can't be computer the size zakho. But anyway, it's fine.
Yeah.
Any update on Brook? I actually saw a video. Let me play it for you guys. Please, we like he updated Tini. I was because of
Wow, it really and truly was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. My goal was to put Zimbabwe back on the map, and I think just being there and being present put us back on the map. Everybody knows about Zimbabwe, and I can tell you that for a fact. I got top 10 for Voice for Change, which is one of the most challenging parts of the competition. I didn't manage to get into the top 3, but still everybody knows about us, and we were definitely recognized, and it really meant a lot to me because that part of the competition was not for me. It was something that I spoke to that's close to my heart, and it's part of.
Okay.
She fought a good fight.
She made it to top 10.
Also,
Yeah, she
why
did,
we
yeah.
city Miss Universe khona kusemhlabeni? Kulabe mazi noma twitch na.
When? Ngathi i-NBA ngama-world champions bedlala bodwa.
abazake bafika entumbane.
That
That time uthulani wenzani bora.
Uthulani phela ngapha vele perfume futhi.
Ephongo lithi ha. Ikhopha lithi hacha.
Well, she did well. Congratulations to her, actually, for doing what she did. My opinion, the last time, anyway, wasn't a personal attack on her. It was the same thing. I'm just aware of just the general narrative behind these matters. But congratulations to her. She went as far as top 10. And, it's a good look for the country.
I was also like arguing with you, thinking you're paranoid about this whole thing of don't trust that the Pelly Pels. But recently I was learning of the item that's happening in SA, where a bunch of those guys just sat and decided, okay, let's just manipulate the currency to sort of push a narrative and all those things. And they actually made a lot of money, bro. They're making like $1 trillion a day.
They're still making money, yeah.
Because of that. So you're right when you're saying don't trust those guys.
White
They don't
people
have
only.
your best interests at heart.
But you mean the chatter kill.
Which is fine. Which is fine. Kodwa usidima siqeda ukuvakatshela ngasiqeda ukusuka sehlale esesade sihlikihla amasofa.
Inhlisa clean. But into thing
Ukudla okudlungela sawo.
no, this is really like ngiyazi
Legalic.
iningi laba brubam. Like the English is not communicating. Ozamjilting yamfebela mba.
This guy is
alostro. Kuthiwa uthi ufike emkuleni umkulethini uhamba le boyfriend yakho. Ayibona ngijoke lelo.
Uprezi ngatututsha la exclusive.
You tanda madoda too much.
My friend, you tanda madoda too much. What's happening? But yeah. This is episode 99. Episode 100 next.
Can I also elaborate on how well things are going? We sat here for an hour and you guys forgot I was on the cover of a magazine. That's how well things are
Bro.
Oh, yes.
And basically the episode ukukhuluma ngakho.
How's your December looking, dog? Are we going to be drunk half the time or going to be okay?
December, it looks like we're back with the bang. You guys stay tuned. We have a lot of events coming.
You're back with the
outside,
bang,
boys.
tererang.
We're back with the bang, tererang. The boys are outside. The city boys are wearing short
back with
shorts
the
and no
bang.
underwear.
Yeah.
We're calling it no underwear December. You know?
Me, I'm going on a KK.
Oh, yeah. The boys are catching flights also. You'll see.
I'm going on a
We call, we'll
KK.
call.
This boy is spending days there. It feels like fixing his itineraries, but anyway, he's mlungi here. He's mlungi. He's on his mlungu era.
I'm in my mlungu era.
Yeah.
It's been a good day. It's going to be a good December.
Yeah. But no, guys, stand kubonga. Abantu. Khareba is serious.
How many is villages?
Face guy chain uzenza dangerous. Ngicabangani?
I think kumele sibe le merch ByoPodcast.
Yes, ayi guys. Mbana ungasilungisela iqwa.
Kumele upose with just like one expression. It's cocky.
Mbana uzasigqoka.
A lot actually, you'd be surprised, hey?
Hayi abantu abadala guys. I-podcast le siza
bekhona abagqoke dolphin.
Yabo. Mo ukhona.
No, bayazi nani? mina vele ngiyathanda angazi Mgcini nanzilele but ama episode amaningi sibili nxa ngiwatche sharp ngithanda ukugqoka izinto engaziphiwayo ngithanda ukugqoka izinto engaziphiwayo like amalokhu zenini nalawo
kanti le dolphins lokho ikhona yini akhona manje okay
But ulokhu zenini?
engiyomjolo FM
ulokhu zenini this year unganu tangentile
uwa
Mgcini last year wayengikho nje
njani
these days uzukhuluma izinto fucked up wena
no but sengcono
kuze ngokhuluma kwenye group esiyo kuze ngokhuluma sekufana nokuthi ama drugs sekumgcini yoba ukuthi izinto ezi-random ezi-fucked up
dako yena
no I feel like
ayivari
but it's okay
I feel like yazi into angona yenzakala mangilani guys you guys bring out the best in me
uska blamer
no I'm blaming umuntu
Anyway, catch us outside in December. We'll be outside.
catch me asahaba
Catch
there
us outside. How about that?
but bemfuna ukuthi siyabonga abantu abasebesuke lathi abakhona abasuke lathi from episode 1 angazi bakhona maybe bakhona kuma comments usitshele kuma comments
From Ganet's place.
Yeah.
This year, that was our first episode.
lisitshele kuma comments ukuthi lisuke lathi from which episode usitshele ukuthi how has been the experience so far siyakuchaza yini uyafuna ukusibona next year but episode 100 sefikile guys
so many things to do also bro I have a lot going on sengikhohlwa let me just do a quick plug I have an album on the way first week but episode 100 episode phumile I have it's like a small project Kbrizzy Dakutu we have a joint album super producer Dakutu is also nominated at the BAAs under best newcomer so he was here earlier also the bros know him we have a music video coming out and the bros are in it
Yes, let's supper vibe.
the bros are in it so I have a music video coming out with Dakutu banger on banger then we have a 6 track project that's gonna drop first to second week of December for Kisimusi and then
What's the title of the project?
It's a working title. Really, this is gonna be like surprise drop vibes, but I just thought I should mention it here. That's why I haven't even told you guys, because it's a pa 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 zupa.
Okay.
Hola
Take us home.
Vuyi, do you want to say anything before we go usukhulumile inhlamba zakho zonke athi
I'm ngikhuluma inhlamba andizikhulumile serious kuthesi yeah so besides my piano some people may know I've got a gin Uhuru gin so
sawathela ipheka utshwala
che
Elidlipo. Elidlinani.
kulelo kuzenini angazi ukuthi babe angazi ukuthi ijino obanike yona ezwa azi ngamuzwe inatha sithi ha ulisa bathe kupheka utshwala obuhle lokho
Gin kavuyi mnandi nje.
But why Bruno asinathi?
No, that's what I was about to say. For the majority of the year, I was just doing by order because I don't even lie, bro. Like I was in a slump. Creativity hasn't hit.
You in a slump.
Awusibathela ijini lapho islambu yokunuka
Je kumele ukungaka. Akumtshela. Ngaka silapana
Funny thing is, Mr. is not, bro.
Uyanya lo. Uyanya ungabona igadi nofawuzi yokuqala nehostel. Nguyeni zongiqhubela inkomo nje desa. Ngathengiwe thi kuye sayinatha sonke. Uyanya le.
Yeah, there's a day though we went for cricket for Ifa. I think we had almost like 6 bottles of Uhuru gin. But yeah, so some interesting stuff coming up this festive season.
It's gonna be a good one.
Yeah. Tech guy, Mgcini, we called. Are we doing anything?
Not anything for this year.
Okay.
But next year, as always, I'm going to teach a class.
Okay, a class of just to give people context.
Yeah, I teach an intro to computer science at a college level class.
Oh.
But for the past couple of years, I've realized it's very, very hard. So next year, I'll start maybe like by introducing people, easing people in before the actual class starts in May.
Shout out, man. Jay, do you want to say anything before we go?
just shout out to 11 out of talk gang man
Shut up.
ngikhohle kunye futhi sorry mangani bani
No, it's fine. Nah, it's fine.
episode iphuma mhla kabani
Iphuma imandi ke ngomhla 27.
Yeah,
27. So before the next one on the 2nd of December, 2 December, is my birthday.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
I love you guys.
This
Thank you
is
very
it.
much. Thank you very much.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, namhla sizoyakha ubuhlobo ngendaba zama-pets. I am joined here by this guy. His name is Russ. He is representing Rotaract. is it?
Rotaract Club of
Exactly.
Matopos.
Of Matopos. Let's say Matopo kule Rotaract.
Ikhona.
Very good, very good. That's nice. So yeah, as you know, we've got a pad drive that we're doing, and we'll be partnering with Rotaract, the Rotary Club of Matopos. So Urasulapa is here to not only accept donation as yet, but also to tell us a bit more about why we need to donate the pads, right? So to begin with, my guy, how are you?
I'm pretty well.
All right.
How are you doing?
No, me, I'm all right. I'm all right. I could be better, but I'm okay. Yeah. What are the most? We'll just get into it. What are the most common misconceptions about menstruation and so on? Yeah.
So basically, the issue with SRHR generally is that what I prefer calling it.
what
People
does it
have
stand
got
for?
sexual reproductive health.
All right.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay.
SRHR. Akuphelele ukufunda.
Yeah, man.
So basically, the problem is we are a bit backwards. People think generally with women, they try to hide this idea that when they're going through their menstrual cycle, they hide and they think it's a secret.
Yeah.
That's one of the biggest problem we have. So they think it's an issue around women that women only can solve.
Yeah.
And generally that's one of the biggest problems, that at the end of the day, they can't even reach out when they are stuck.
Okay.
For an instance, when they can't even access basic things such as pads, they then just decide to do what they do as women, and then at the end of the day, they could end up not having pads. And
Okay.
then they use dirty things. You know how it goes, yes.
Ngiyezwa kuthiwa basebenzisa ubulongo benkomo. I don't know what that is, but yeah.
Yeah.
I can only assume
Traditionally,
that's,
and that scientifically, I'm not a scientific person, but from what I learned is it causes a lot of problems.
I can only imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, getting onto that, what are the health risks associated with like poor hygiene during that time of the month?
So poor hygiene, like it's at that moment in time, women are at the riskiest of getting affected by many risks, because I think lapana kuyabalama, there's high risk of catching fungi.
Okay.
Fungi they can actually get infection from that.
Okay.
Kucholobele baba, kube ngenye into enkulu. It could be something really big that they'll end up being hospitalized, or it will end up getting us with operations. And you think that those are some of the issues, especially an issue of fungi and germs, if you use unclean sanitary wear and etc.
All right. Okay, that's fine. Jane has graciously offered to give us a live demonstration of how pads are worn. So we'll do that a bit later on. But what are some of the key challenges that women face in accessing quality pad wear, for lack of a better term?
We think one of the biggest that we are facing as Zimbabweans is access to affordable sanitary wear. We realize that sanitary wear, approximately the cheapest, I think, pads are $1, if I'm not mistaken. And sometimes you realize that someone can live on a day with $1.
Yeah.
We think that there are people at the periphery, people in the community that cannot access that very cheap.
Yeah.
And we think that it means if you can access that, your menstrual cycle doesn't stop because you're broke. It comes, Baba.
Yeah.
And you think that access you can't buy, you don't have $1. What do? You have to resort to cheaper methods. And we think that people are not informed on what other alternatives that are existing.
Okay.
So people like you said,
Benkomo, yes,
and then you think that
yeah.
it's it is a problem.
Okay. All right. And then, moving along, what's the role of education among young women when it comes to practicing, safe?
SRHR practices.
Exactly. Yeah.
Education on its own, basically education has been a proven is the proven tactic in making people know. I think that when someone is educated, you are educated on how to access clean and effective alternatives. It's an easier way of learning if when we try to look, let's do this, and we what do we do? We show you how it's done. I think you catch easier and faster because most of the things these people do are we realize that it could be yes. You can use this. And when you are stuck, you easily believe you are naive, and then you easily believe and you use that, and you think that it's a problem. So education then plays a significant role because education is the easiest way, specifically in the 21st century. Different kinds of education plays a significant role in conscientizing people on important things.
All right. Yeah. So now, in this day and age, you're always looking for eco-friendly methods and products, right? So, I'd also want to ask, Uguti, what's the environmental impact of sanitary pads, and their disposal methods? What's the and is there any way, like, are there pads that are more eco-friendly out there that people could look into?
I think these days they are trying by any means. The scientists we have are trying to make sanitary pads that are easily biodegradable, right? But then the greatest challenge that we are facing is terrible disposal of those. I want to after using them, someone can just put them in a plastic bag and then dump them in the open. That is the problem that we're having with disposing. So I think we should do something we should actively participate in telling people and pushing people to dispose them in one of the most secure ways, putting in biodegradable bin bags. They do, these are better alternatives you can do. Besides, you don't necessarily have to burn them, but then you can actually put them in a biodegradable plastic. If you are comfortable, they can recycle.
All right,
do a lot with those.
Okay. All right. In closing, I'd also want to find out what other organizations are there besides the Rotary Club of Matopos. What other organizations are there within Bulawayo or Zim as a whole that promote pad drives and they actually educate people and empower young women in this regard?
Okay, I remember. There are many organizations, but I'll try to remember the ones I once worked with. There is Green Heart Foundation.
Okay.
Green Heart, we worked well with them.
Shout out to you guys.
A pet drive. We worked with World Health. We worked with Rotary International. There's a difference, but
Okay.
it's the same.
Oh, Rotaract and Rotary.
We worked well with them. There's also worked well with World Vision.
Okay, yeah.
They take a significant role in SRHR issues. Those are some non-governmental that are working with that. Worked well with Bulawayo City Council.
Yeah.
And Princess Margaret.
Okay.
Work well with those people in conscientizing people and pushing the issue of cleaner and safer SRHR methods.
Beautiful, lovely. Ralphie, do you have a question?
Yeah, just wanted to find out what was the biggest drive that you've had? How many pets did you collect?
So we didn't necessarily collect pets. We worked with Green Heart and we taught people to make disposable sanitary pads.
Okay.
So
Wonderful.
we went and we taught. It was I think, I'm not sure of the numbers, but plus or minus 200 girls. They were taught just you need a cotton cloth and buttons and you are safe. You can actually wash it and actually more. It's cleaner and safer.
Okay.
That is, I think, so far is the biggest we've done.
Okay. Mgcini?
I feel like this has been a learning curve for us because we took Kalisa, we didn't know anything really, and we appreciate Rotaract. We appreciate Rotaract for collaborating with us, and now that Seskwazi uthi kufunakala next time Seskwazi uthi siza approach njani. But for someone who donated or ongaka donate ama pets right now watching you lapho ku podcast, like a message bani ongabachila yona?
Okay. The first message is support, guys. Support the less privileged. These people need us. We are better together.
Yeah.
So we always do good at any time. So in any other future projects, you can come up with a project, partner people, co-Rotaract. We are ready. Even if you have an idea, we can make it happen. Anything that involves doing good charity work, will come through.
Yeah, like
that's my message.
Bemfuna ukubuza futhi uthi i-Rotaract, does it focus on ukudonate ama-pets kuphela? What else do you guys do?
Okay. So Rotaract focuses on many issues. Rotaract focuses on public health. It focuses on hygiene, on water, on education, on peace and governance, and also, community service. Those are 7 areas that we focus on as Rotaract. So anything in regards to that, we help. We also involved in environmental issues. We do tree planting activities, etc., etc. So we're always open and ready to collaborate and to have new members that would want to join us.
Shout out, man.
All right. Yeah, and there's no donation too small, guys. Jane was telling us a story that someone actually walked up to her and gave her 1 pad, if I'm not mistaken. So,
We had said every counts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. So, no donation too small, guys. Donate my pets.
Yeah, before uba for ehamba, like how do people reach out to you? Because Tina seeing ukuthi we are almost done with the current project of donating pets. Like we are donating ama pets on Wednesday, lani. But if kulo muntu maybe ongatholanga imali nge-race like office ukuthi donate phambili, how do they reach out to you guys?
So we have our social media pages. You can reach out to us on Twitter, Rotaract Club of Matoposi, or Instagram. You can DM. We'll definitely respond. That's the easiest way to reach us to reach out. And you can bring anything. We can organize something. It's never too late.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away.